Folks, sometimes you download yet another wellness app, hoping it will finally work. But here's the thing, I kept searching for something different. Not a meditation, anxiety, or ADHD app, but something that actually helps you understand yourself better. And then I found Liven. It feels like a personal companion that guides you through simple check-ins and reflections, helping you stay consistent over time. My name is Daniel, and today I'm sharing my honest experience with this tool. Guys, make sure you check out all the useful links in the description after watching this video. There might be some nice discounts there. Let's dive into it. Alright, my friends, so let's talk about what Liven actually is. At first glance, you might think it's just another app for meditation or productivity, but that's exactly what it isn't. It combines a few simple but powerful tools that work together as one. At its core, this app is built around three main features: a mood tracker, a journal, and a habit tracker. Each of them is designed to be simple enough to use every day, but strong enough to make a real difference over time. Guys, Liven was created with the idea that thoughts trigger emotions, and those emotions can feel overwhelming, but feelings aren't facts. That's why the platform was co-designed with certified health professionals, translating real science into simple, practical tools you can actually use. Instead of piling more content onto your day, it's context first. It responds to your input and suggests relevant support, so every interaction feels personal. Folks, you don't just scroll through lessons. You get timely guidance that matches what you're going through. That's the big idea of this app. It's not trying to fix you overnight. It creates space to reflect and build routines that fit naturally into your day. Guys, most apps focus on one area. They're either meditation-focused, anxiety-specific, or purely habit-based. Liven brings everything together in a way that actually makes sense for real life. So guys, time to see how Liven actually works in practice. Imagine opening the website for the first time. If you're a new user, it offers a 3-minute quiz to create your personalized well-being management plan. This is actually pretty smart, folks. You get questions like these, and you can choose what applies to you. There are 26 questions total, nothing overwhelming. After receiving your plan and registering, you land on the routine page, where you track your daily tasks. Guys, the first thing you see is a mood check-in. The platform asks how you feel right now, and you can choose from terrible all the way up to amazing. Let's say I pick good. You can add what emotions come with that state, where you are, or what you're doing. Select whatever resonates with you. Friends, it may sound simple, but these tiny reflections build awareness. Over time, you start noticing patterns. Maybe stress always spikes when you skip breakfast, or your mood lifts after a walk. That awareness is powerful because it connects your choices with your well-being. Folks, after your mood log, there's space for journaling. Not long essays, but short thoughts. What's bothering you or what's on your mind? This is where CBT principles quietly guide the process. After processing everything you entered, the platform shows you statistics. Like how many times you felt good this month and which factors connect to those feelings. Our first check-in is done, and this builds the habit of using Liven regularly. Guys, before we move on, I try to make my content fun instead of boring. And in return, please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you enjoy the content I make. One of 4 daily tasks is complete, so you can move to the next ones. The platform suggests taking their Recharge and Reset course. You click on it and see a description of the method and what you'll gain from it. Folks, the exercises themselves are actually pretty effective and useful. After working through a lesson, you click Complete and rate how successful your experience was. I'd give this one 5 stars. Next up comes tracking your habits to maintain your routine momentum. You can add tasks from different life areas. For example, what are the plans for today? Tomorrow you could add something from the dopamine menu, like get a bit of sunlight outside. Guys, when you mark it complete, there's this nice little animation, very satisfying. 3 tasks were completed in a short time period. The last piece is getting advice. For instance, they offer a childhood trauma impact test with 25 questions. You can track your progress monthly and compare results over time, which is incredibly valuable for self-awareness. Friends, let's see what else Liven offers besides easy check-ins and mood tracking. There's Livy, your self-discovery companion. This is the AI assistant you can chat with when something's bothering you and you need support. Folks, it's not a replacement for therapy, but it's a supportive presence that helps you untangle thoughts and find small next steps. For many, that gentle, always available support makes the difference between staying stuck and moving forward. Moving to the Learn section, guys. You can continue your recharge and reset lesson if needed. There are also several interesting programs for different needs that you can work through. Another standout is the testing section, my friends. These aren't fluffy personality quizzes. They are thoughtful assessments that help you track deeper aspects of your mental health over time. Each test can be retaken monthly or weekly, so you can see how far you've come. That progress tracking becomes motivating in itself because you see the proof in numbers. Folks, Liven also has its own blog, where you can read mental health articles with tips, advice, and different practices. Some posts go deeper into meditation and mindfulness, others look at sleep and daily recovery, and so on. Together, this creates a space where you can both learn and practice without feeling overloaded. Guys, after using Liven for several weeks, I can say it fills a gap that I didn't even realize existed in my routine. What stood out to me is how natural it feels once you get into the rhythm. A short check-in in the morning, a quick journal during the day, and a habit or two you actually keep up with. So it's not overwhelming. Folks, over time, you realize you're not chasing productivity or trying to hack your brain. You're just building routines that support your real needs. That's where the self-discovery part comes in. And honestly, that's what makes it valuable. If you're curious how it may work out for you, give it a try. You can find it on both the App Store and Google Play, or check out their website at livenapp.com. My friends, I'd love to hear from you. What tools or routines do you already use to reflect on your day? Share your thoughts in the comments. Feel free to check out the links in the description below. You might find some discounts there. As usual, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, until next time.